Hey friends, so today we're going to be showing you how to remove the side port here on a GoPro. This is a Hero Black 7. I think they're similar to the other ones. But anyways, if you have this case, instead of taking this out all the time to change the batteries or whatever you want to hook it up to, I have this ring light, and you can take this little thing off of here. So basically you just normally, like you would open it up, you just press that button and slide it out and lift it up, and then right here, this piece, it just kind of snaps out like that. So you see it's got these little clip right there. So it also, to put it back in, you can just snap that in place and then like that. But if you want to access this, one thing about GoPros is they pretty much eat through the batteries rather quickly. So it's nice to be able to, if you're going to take a longer video, to be able to take this out. Just pop it out there. And just remember, it's not really waterproof anymore with that gone, with that open, so keep that in mind. But then you can put it back into its frame here, so it'll keep it, so you can mount it places. And that way you can just plug in your cord right here to charge it while you're powering it. So I can, this ring light I have, you can just charge it while you're recording, so it makes it really nice, especially with GoPros. They take nice videos. It's just the battery time isn't that long. It's kind of a hassle to just take this off all the time and switch out a battery. So hope that helps, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll catch you next time.